Hey everybody, Alex here. Welcome to another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be discussing the chart of Alibaba, but before we do that, if you would, some really exciting stuff going on in the market over the next coming weeks. You need to go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification to get all the alerts on all my latest videos, all my updates, including Alibaba. Thank you so much for that. With that out of the way, let's dive into the BABA chart. And you can see here since October 2020, we've just been on this pretty nasty downward trend in Alibaba. Prices gotten a haircut of over 30% in the last 7-8 months. Pretty ugly looking downward trend in progress right now, which is still underway. In order for us to break out of this trend, it's very clear what needs to happen. We need to break out of this downsloping resistance, start putting in a series of higher lows, higher highs, and get some trend line support, and then a trend line that develops out of this nasty downward momentum. So we need to see some structure in place, breaking up to the upside out of this downsloping resistance. This is on the daily time frame inside TradingView. Very clear that that's exactly what needs to happen in order for us to start building price action, positive momentum back to the upside. It looks here like we may have some sort of cursory support at around 208, even though we did break through that on July 8th, but quickly pop back up. I don't know how strong this support is, but we'll have to wait and see for that. Irregardless of that, I don't think that's our most important line. Our most important line right now, as I stated, was for us to be able to break out of this downward sloping resistance and start carrying prices back to the upside. Quickly, let's look at the momentum chart. I'm here on our favorite momentum chart inside here of TradingView. It looks again like we may be trying to build a base of support in this zone right here around -29. But being as it is, always the fact that we start trending in a direction that is below the zero line tends in most cases to carry prices lower. As you can see here, we started at 228, 224, then broke down to 207. So you can see kind of the pattern here again. If we were to carry back down to the bottom of the support, it would likely break down even below 208, maybe to 200, something like that. We will have to wait and see, but we very clearly need to do some repair on all the technical damage that's been done here to BABA, guys. We have got to break out to the upside off of this downward sloping resistance, which I think would coincide with a break of this sloping, downtrending momentum line here on the daily. If we are able to do that, and once again start putting in a series of higher lows, higher highs to stop the technical damage that's been building, break above this zero line, that's when we are going to truly be able to see positive momentum building to the upside and price action that is going to hopefully at one point here in the not too distant future take us back to these highs of October 2020 and eventually surpass them, right? So that's the goal, but we do have some work to do in BABA. We are going to need to be patient. It looks like the rest of this month as well as next month potentially be a sideways to slightly downtrending consolidation phase in BABA until we are eventually able to break out of these wedges on the momentum and out of this downward sloping trend line on the daily. So guys, please again go ahead and go down below, hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss all my weekly updates on BABA plus all your other favorite stocks. Really exciting things going on in the market right now. You want to be a part of it. You don't want to miss any of these updates. So thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for joining the channel. Really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye for now.